Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up a trading bot on Coinbase. First, ensure you have a fully verified Coinbase account, which is crucial for all trading activities. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental trading concepts like market orders versus limit orders and how different cryptocurrencies behave. Finally, select a reputable third-party bot service that integrates seamlessly with Coinbase, as this will be the foundation of your automated trading journey. Now let's generate your API keys. Log into your Coinbase account and find the API settings section, usually under your profile. Create a new API key, ensuring you grant only the essential permissions, such as spot wallet and trade access, to maintain security. Crucially, copy your API secret key immediately upon generation, as it will only be displayed once. Keep this key extremely secure, perhaps in a password manager, to prevent unauthorized access. With your API keys ready, it's time to configure your trading bot. Input your API key and secret into your chosen bot platform to establish a secure connection with Coinbase. Next, define your specific trading strategy. This involves setting clear entry and exit points based on market indicators. Remember to implement robust risk management, such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit levels to secure gains. Protecting your capital. Before deploying your bot with real funds, thorough testing is vital. First, use the bot's backtesting feature to analyze how your strategy would have performed with historical market data. Then, run the bot in a paper trading or simulation mode for at least a few days to observe its behavior in live market conditions without financial risk. Once confident, deploy your bot with a small amount of capital and continuously monitor its performance, making adjustments as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.